We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, let us solve some examples of homogeneous system of linear equations. But before that, let us solve one example where we can find the values of unknown if the system having no solution, unique solution, or infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let us take that example. So investigate for what values of lambda and mu. The equations x plus 2y plus z equal to 8, 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 13, 3x plus 4y plus lambda z equal to mu have no solution. Second, a unique solution. And infinitely many solutions. So now let us consider this system in a augmented matrix. So the augmented matrix is like this. So that is 1. So we need to take the coefficient here. So that is 1, 2, 1, then 8, then 2 from second equation, 2, 2, 13, then 3, 4, lambda and mu. Now by using this 1, we can make the entry below to it to be 0. So R2 minus 2R1, R3 minus 3R1, and so we get 1, 2, 1, 8. Then now this is 0, so we multiply with minus 2 here and add here. Okay, so minus 2 plus 2, 0. Then this is minus 4 plus 2, so this is minus 2. Then this is minus 2 and plus 2, so that is 0. Then this is minus 16 plus 13, and so minus 3. Similarly, multiply with minus 3 here, so minus 3 plus 3, so that is 0. Multiply minus 3 here, so minus 6 plus 4, so minus 2, and that is lambda minus 3. And this is mu minus multiply with minus 3, so mu minus 24. Now make this entry to be 1, so let us take r2 into minus 1 by 2, and so this is 1 2 1 8, this is 0 1 0, this is 3 by 2 0 minus 2 lambda minus 3 mu minus 24. Now by using this one, let us make this entry to be 0. So r3 so in r3 plus 2r2, and so this is equal to 1 2 1 8 0 1 0 3 by 2, this is 0 0, then this is 0, so this is same as lambda minus 3, and now multiply this with 2, so that will be 3, and add here, so that will be mu minus 21. So now this is in a row echelon form, so we are in a position to decide for which value of lambda and mu the system has no solution, unique solution. Okay, so if we take say lambda equal to 3, so if you take lambda equal to 3, this will become a 0, then, and this mu is not 21, mu not 21, then this will be non-zero. So the last row will be like this: 0 0 0 and non-zero. So then we are having no solution, because then you can see that this 0 equal to non-zero. So the system is inconsistent. And has no solution. Then unique solution. So for unique solution we need 3 variables, so the rank should be 3 of A as well as of augmented matrix AB. So if lambda is not equal to 3, lambda not equal to 3, and mu any number, then what happen? This is 0 0, this is not 0, and any number, this is any number. So no problem. So we are having unique solution, because then rank of AB equal to rank of A. Okay. And that is equal to number of unknowns, number of variables. So unique solution. So then the system has unique solution. And the third one is, so if lambda equal to 3, mu equal to 21, then the last row would be like this: 0 0 0 and 0. So then rank of AB equal to rank of A, and which is less than number of variables, and therefore the system has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now we begin the concept of system of homogeneous linear equations. Okay, so in homogeneous linear equations we are having the system like this, Ax equal to 0. So all the entry to the right 0. Now if a system is homogeneous, then we have its solution in only two, either unique solution, because this system never be inconsistent, and if it is unique solution, then it must be all the variables 0, or infinitely many solutions. Okay, here there is no case of no solution. This is always a consistent system. Okay, so now let us take one example. Solve x minus y plus z equal to 0, x plus 2y plus z equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 0. So now let us have the augmented matrix. So now here the right side is 0. So this is 1, minus 1, 1 and 0. 1, 2, 1, 0. 2, 1, 3, 0. So all the elements are the coefficient here, the first row, second row and the third row. Now here is a 1, so by using this 1 we can make the entry below 0. So in R2 minus R1, R3 minus 2R1. Okay, so now let us have, so it's easy, 1, first row as it is, minus 1, 1 and 0. Now R2 minus R1, so this minus this, so that is a 0. Then this is R2 minus R1, so 2 minus minus 1, so 2 plus 1, so that is 3. This is 1 minus 1, 0. Then this is minus 2 multiply and add here. So minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. This is a minus 2, so that will be 2 plus 1, so that is 3. And then this is a multiply with minus 2 plus 3, so that is 1. Okay, and now we make this entry to be G1. So R2 into 1 by 3, and so this is 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0. And by using this one we make the entry above and below to be 0. So R1 plus R2 and R3 minus 3R2, and so we get, this is 1, we have to add this to row. So 1, then 0, then 1, just add this to row 0. Second row 0, 1, 0, 0. Now third one is multiply with minus 3 and add here. So this is 0, minus 3 plus 3, 0, 1, 0. Now this is already okay, this is now 1 here, so make the entry above this to be 0. So last operation R1, R1 minus R3, and so this is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. So this is in reduced row echelon form. And so we can see that here the variables are x, y, z. One more thing is rank of A augmented matrix is equal to rank of A, and that is equal to 3, that is number of variables. So unique solution. And once this homogeneous system has unique solution, we have x is 0, y is 0, and z is also 0, x 0, y 0, z is also 0. Okay. Let's take one more example. Solve x plus y minus z plus w equal to 0, then x minus y plus 2z minus w equal to 0, then 3x plus y plus w equal to 0. Okay. So now let us have the augmented matrix. 1 1 minus 1 1 0, 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 0, this is 3 1, then there is no z, so 0 and 1 and 0. Okay. Now here we are having 1, so we make the entry below to it to be 0. So R2 minus R1 and R3 minus 3R1. So now this is 1 1 minus 1 1 0. Now this is R2 minus R1, so R2 minus R1, so this is 0, then this is minus 2 minus 1, then this is 2 plus 1, so that is 3, then minus 1, so that is minus 2 0. Now this one is multiply with minus 3 and add here, so that is 0, multiply with minus 3 here, add 1, add to 1, so that is minus 2, then multiply with minus 3, so that will be 3 plus 0, so that is 3, multiply with minus 3, so minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 and 0. Now we observe here that these two rows are equal, so we can make the last row to be 0. So let us do that part. R3 minus R2, so we are having 1 1 minus 1 1 0 0 minus 2 3 minus 2 0 0, then 0 0 0 and 0. Okay. Then make this entry to be 1. So R2 into minus 1 by 2, and so that is equal to 1 1 minus 1 1 and 0. this is 0, 1, this is minus 3 by 2. Now divide by minus 2, so this is 1, this is 0. This one is 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now we make this entry to be 0 because already that 1 below to it there. So we make 0. So R1 minus R2. So this is 1. This is 1 minus 1, 0. The next is minus 1 plus 3 by 2. This is a minus, so plus 3 by 2 and minus 1. So this is nothing but 1 by 2. So this one is 1 by 2. Then this is 0 and 0. So this is 0, 1, minus 3 by 2, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now we can see that the number of variables are 4, and here rank, we can see that the rank is 2. So here rank of augmented matrix equal to rank of A equal to 2, and number of variables are 4. So therefore the system has infinitely many solutions. And how many variables we need to assume arbitrarily? 2. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2. This 4 minus 2, so equal to 2 variables. Select arbitrarily. Okay, now where are the leading ones? So here is a leading one and here is a leading one. So we need to select the arbitrary element, arbitrary variable as this is x, y, this is z and w. So we need to take z and w. So let z equal to s, w equal to t. Now from this one we are having y minus 3 by 2 z plus w equal to 0. So y equal to 3 by 2 s minus t. And from the first one we are having x minus 1 by 2 z, x minus 1 by 2 z and equal to 0, and therefore x equal to 1 by 2 s, and therefore solution set is x, so that is 1 by 2 s, y, so that is 3 by 2 s minus t, z, that is s, and w, that is t. So and st is any real number. So these are the as many s and t we have the solution. So we are having infinitely many solutions. Thank you.